Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ask Data. In this video, I am going to discuss on derivation of three equations of motion. First, let us draw the figure. Graph on y-axis velocity, on x-axis time. This is a straight line. Okay, and this is u. Okay, and this C D E, and this is, as you know, it is u. This total is v, and this is change in velocity. Okay, and this is time. So we know that acceleration is equal to slope of AB. So slope formula, we know that change in y divided by change in x, change in y-axis divided by change in x-axis, right? So change in y-axis is BC, change in x-axis is AC. So A is equal to BC is nothing but V minus U, and AC is nothing but E, right? So if you cross multiply, you will get V minus U is equal to AT, and if you transpose U other side, V is equal to U plus AT. This is the relation between velocity and time, right? Velocity and time relation formula is this. This is the way of deriving the V is equal to U plus AT, that is the first equation of motion, right? Now some people think like how BC is V minus U. For them this is explanation. You know BD is equals to BC plus CD, correct? BD total side. BD is nothing but total final velocity. BC I want to find, and CD is U. Correct? Now this is the object A. It is reaching to B. That object A is having some initial velocity. If I take this U other side, I will get BC is equal to V minus U. Simple. Alright. Now if I go with the second equation of motion. In second equation of motion, we have to take distance. Distance covered is equal to area under curve AB. So what distance is covered is this area under AB. What this curve is then AB. Under this area is this. Okay. Now in this area under curve AB, you can see that there are two shapes are there. Distance is S. Area under curve, two shapes are there. One is area of rectangle, that is ACDE, plus area of triangle, ABC. Correct? Right, understood. Now if you see area of rectangle, area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. Area of triangle half into base into height. So S is equal to length into breadth. See, this is in ACDE, this is length ED and breadth is U. So this is T into U plus half. Base of triangle is AC, which is nothing but a T, and height is BC, nothing but V minus U. You can see the figure. Understood? So now I have to move it upward. So S is equal to Tu, nothing but Ut plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into T. In the place of V minus U, we know in that, above equation, we know V minus U is nothing but a 80. So in the place of V minus U, I can write 80. Done. S is equal to Ut plus 1 by 2 A T into T, AT square. This is the second. This will give you the relationship between distance and time. Distance and time. A position and time. Okay, position and time formula, this one. And if you want to derive a third formula, then it is the same way. Okay, let's do it. That will bit move upward. Even that is also easy. Yeah. So I need an figure. So I have to erase this. 1 second. Just yeah, we are here. Just a second. I need to erase this. See, now if I go with the last equation of motion, same, distance covered equals to area under curve AB. So area under curve AB, we will take area of trapezium. You should know the formula of trapezium. Half into h of sum of parallel sides. This is the formula of area of trapezium. Now, distance covered is S is equal to half. This is h. Okay, 1 minute. See, these are parallel sides. This is, I am using the orange. This is BD is a parallel side, A and BD. And height will be taken as DE. BD plus AE. So S is equal to 1 by 2. DE is nothing but T. BD is nothing but V total final. A is nothing but V. So S is equal to 1 by 2. Then the T, I know the formula V minus U is equal to A into T. So we'll get T is equal to V minus U by A. So V minus U divided by A. And this is V plus U. Nothing means by 1. So what you can write? S is equal to 1 by 2. This is here V minus U and here B plus U. A plus B, A minus B formula is what? A square minus B square divided by A. So S is equal to V square minus u square divided by 2 into this is multiplied. Cross multiply, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. This is velocity and position relationship. Velocity and position relationship. Hope you